so that prompts this question. Here comes the hard-hitting question. Are you ready?
Yep.
When's that 20 to 30 minutes going to happen?
Well, you know, and that's the thing. These forecasts, and one of the things, when you go over to NOAA, if you look at anything more than their 20 or 30-minute forecast, it puts that experimental up there because we know right now the timing and the accuracy of that is just not there. That's where, you know, last year I was looking. You don't see it, then all of a sudden, you know, you might go in, you might give up for the night. It's there. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. That's what happened last year. Let's talk a little bit about this. Some of this Megan talked about. Most cameras, most phones now are smart enough that they'll actually go over to that night mode on their own. But yeah, use the manual settings if you have to. Here's some of the things. You can kind of take a picture there, use the lowest shutter speed, other various things. You can check online as well, and they'll tell you exactly what to expect. The good news for us, the skies are going to be clear tonight. It's going to actually be pretty comfortable in the overnight hours as well, with temperatures hovering and probably dipping into the 50s by the time the sun's coming up. Sunrise, by the way, tomorrow is just about, it's at 5:52 in the morning, so just about 5 to 10 minutes before 6 o'clock. If I was you, if you're trying to look for the northern lights tonight, the best bet to do that is between around 10 o'clock in the evening hours through 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So just kind of give you a heads up there. 72, high temperature today, mostly sunny skies. The one thing you might notice at times, kind of a thin haze that's on top of the sun or right in front of the sun. You can almost see it right there. We do have some Canadian smoke that's in place right now. It's expected to thicken, actually, as we're heading into the overnight hours tonight. At this point, I don't know if it's going to be thick enough that that's going to have an impact on the northern lights, but it is going to be around 66, and the airport's actually showing a little bit of that haze right now that's right on top of us. Notice the winds. They picked up out of the west at 9 miles an hour. They were calm this morning, and that allowed us to see a very cold start out there. We saw widespread frost up along I-80 and patchy frost even as far south as I-70 Greene County area. 69 Waynesburg this hour, 67 in the South Strabane area, 64 in Greensburg, and Catania coming in 66 degrees. That big blue right there, that big H, that means high pressure is the dominant feature. Look at just how far you have to go before you see some cloud cover. So most of the U.S. right now, gorgeous sunny conditions. I'm going to zoom in really quickly. I did this morning to show you the latest where that Canadian smoke is. It is, at least the thickest of this, is off to our west. It is expected as we're heading into the overnight hours. There it is, diving in place, and it will be here all day long tomorrow and into your Wednesday. The big concern right now, that big H that I showed you, that high pressure ridge, as it causes sinking air, we could potentially see both our Tuesday and Wednesday air quality numbers going up. So right now they're in the yellow. We could see some oranges being issued and some air quality alert days because of the smoke in place tomorrow. 72, high temperature today. Here's the rest of the day, including that 4 o'clock temperature there at 72, 70 at 7. Next chance for rain comes in on Thursday. We'll have another solid chance for rain on Saturday. String of 80s starts tomorrow, goes through Friday, and then 70s for highs over your weekend.